In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring an object to the front or send it to the back in Microsoft PowerPoint, so your slides look clean, organized, and professional. Arranging images, shapes, and text boxes properly ensures every element appears exactly where it should, and it makes your message easier to understand at a glance. Start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you're working on and head to the slide you're designing. Take a brief moment to visualize your layout. Decide which elements need to stand out and which should sit behind as background support. This quick mental plan keeps you focused and prevents unnecessary changes later. Now find the object you want to move. This could be an image, a shape, or a text box. Hover your mouse over it until it's clearly highlighted, then click once to select it. You'll see small handles appear around the object, and that's your confirmation you've selected the right item. When several items overlap, it's easy to grab the wrong thing. If that happens, click on an empty area to deselect and try again. Zooming in can help with precision, especially around edges or tight clusters of objects. With the object selected, right-click to open its context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click usually does the same thing. If you don't see the menu you expect, try right-clicking closer to the border of the object. You should see a list of options related to that item. In this menu, look for the Arrange options. If you want the object to appear behind all other elements on the slide, choose Send to Back. This places it on the bottom layer, tucking it underneath everything else. If you want the object to stand out and appear above everything, choose Bring to Front. That moves it to the top layer and makes it the most visible item in the stack. Think of your slide like a stack of transparent sheets. Bring to Front puts your object on the very top sheet, and Send to Back slides it to the bottom. This doesn't move the object's position on the slide, it only changes which items sit in front of others. Once you've made your choice, review the results carefully. Make sure the layering supports your message, text stays readable, and visuals aren't competing for attention. If something ends up hidden or distracting, repeat the process and adjust. It's a good idea to preview the slide in presentation mode to see everything at full size and confirm it appears exactly as intended. And remember, if you make a change you don't like, simply undo and try again. And that's it. With a bit of practice, adjusting object order in PowerPoint becomes quick and effortless. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads.